In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Google Meet using a code or link. This simple guide will help you seamlessly access your next online meeting with just a few clicks. Let's dive in. First off, we need to access Google Meet. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the Google Meet website. Once you're there, the homepage will greet you with a couple of options. On the left, you'll notice a section with New Meeting. But what we want to focus on today is actually located right next to that. You should see a field or option labeled Enter a Code or Link. Now, why is this important? In many instances, meetings aren't scheduled through an email invitation. Instead, you might receive a unique code or a direct link from someone inviting you to join a meeting. This code is essentially your passport to connecting with others on Google Meet. So once you've got that code handy, here's what you need to do next. After identifying the Enter a Code or Link section, click on it. It's here that you'll input the code provided to you by the meeting organizer. It's important to ensure that you enter the code correctly to avoid any connection issues. Each character counts, so double check that what you've entered matches exactly with what you were given. With the code all set and ready to go, there's just one more step. Look for the Join button. It's typically right below where you've entered your code. Click it and you'll be directed into the meeting. Depending on the settings configured by the organizer, you might be placed in a waiting room first. Don't worry if that happens. It's either the organizer's way of managing entry, or you'll be automatically connected once they start the meeting. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully joined a Google Meet session using a code. Remember, this method applies to both codes and direct links, offering a streamlined process to get you connected and on your way to participating in meetings with ease. As a tip, it might be worth saving the Google Meet website as a bookmark in your browser for quicker access in the future. This way, when you receive your next meeting code, you can jump right into the process and make sure you're not missing out on any important discussions. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful, and now you feel more confident and prepared to join meetings on Google Meet using a code. If you have any further questions or need more detailed advice, feel free to leave your queries down below. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Until next time, happy meeting.